Good morning everyone. Let's start the today's class. Today our topic is pie chart. In last class we completed question number 6 from the textbook and question number 2 from the workbook. So this is the last question in pie charts, but we have to draw two pie charts because there are two teams, different teams. One is Spain, one is England. So here is the total score. This is the total. The football teams have the result. This result is what? Total is 36, here also 36. But the different, like here Spain win 27 matches, draw is 9 and lose is 6. So first of all we are going to find the angles about the Spain. First of all, what is the first one? Every time the first thing is total. The total is what is given. If not given also you should do it. So 27 is the win and draw is the 9 and lose is the 0. So 27 plus 9 how much? 36. Now I am going to find the degree of the win. So what is the degree of the win now? The first of all the 27 out of 36 multiply by 360. So here 36 is in the denominator, 360 in the numerator. So 36 one time, 36 10 times. 27 multiplied by 10 how much? 270 degrees. Next is what? Next is about the draw. Draw how many? 9 matches draw divided by 36. The total should be every time denominator and multiply by 360. So 36 one time, 36 10 times. So 9 into 10 is 90. Then the last one is lose is directly 0. So no need to find out 0 degree. No need. Now first of all, then what you do? You have to draw the one circle by using the compass. Okay, by using the compass we have to draw one circle. After drawing the circle, what we do? We need to put the point in the middle, right or no? Now check it the angle. Is there any 180 degrees in the angle? No. If it is 180 degree, directly we will draw the full line. But here only 270 and 90. This 0 means nothing. No need to draw. But 270, how we draw 270? The protractor is maximum 180 only. So better draw the smallest one. So by drawing the smallest one, now I draw the only one side line. Why? Because we don't have 180. If it is 180, then we can draw the direct total line because half of the circle is 180. So now we have to draw 90, the smallest one. So by using the protractor, where is the 90? Here is the 90. Straight away, then match the 2 points and draw the line up to the circle. So this is 90 degrees. So if this is 90, remaining all is 270. 270 plus 90 is 360. So what is 270? The big one is 270 is win and this one is draw is 90. Okay, now 0, no need to draw. Now coming to the second question from second part from question number 7. The second team is what? England. The second team is what? England. Now what is the first step? Total. Every time you should write the total. What is the total is given? 36. Why? Because they win 6 matches, 18 matches are draw and lose is 12. So how to find out? First of all, we are going to find the angle of win. So they win 6 matches, 6 out of 36 matches. Every time remember like your marks. Marks every time total should be down. So 6 over 36 multiply by 360. Every time multiply by 360. Why? Because the total circle is 360. 36 one time, 36 10 times. So 6 into 10 is 60 degrees. Next is draw. How many matches draw? Check it. There are matches 18. So 18 over 36 multiply by 360. Then it is equal 36 one time, 36 10 times. So 18 into 10 is 180. Now the last one is lose. How many matches they lose? 12 matches out of 36. Multiply by 360 degrees. Then 36 one time, 36 10 times. So it is 120 degrees. Now after find out the angles, kindly check one more time. The total should be 360. So 180 plus 120 is 300. 300 plus 60, 360. Now by using the compass, you have to make it one circle. That means circle by using the compass. After that, we have to use the middle point. Then whenever you complete the circle, just check it. Is there any 180 degrees? Yes, there is. Whenever 180 degrees, just simply you can draw the one straight line because half of the circle is semicircle, that is 180 degrees. So already you know the 180 degrees by using the protractor 60 and 120. So you can draw the small value, small degree, that is 60. So from the clockwise, that means 0 is outside. So where is 60? Here is the 60. By using the 2 points, you can match 2 lines. You can match the line. Okay, this line don't cross the circle. So the 60 degrees is what? Win. Then write it here is the win. And draw lose is 180. and draw is 180 degrees. Draw is 180 degrees. So like this you have to complete the pie chart. So today you don't have homework. Your homework is you have to practice for the test. Tomorrow you have a test at 7 o'clock. You know that. So your test from 3.2C to 5.2. This is your test tomorrow. So you have to practice for the test tomorrow. If you have any questions tomorrow, if you have any questions, you can ask me in my class. Okay, I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.